A very good morning, children. This is the second video of your fourth chapter in your grammar, that is pronouns. In the last video, we learnt about what are pronouns, the personal pronouns, the possessive pronouns, and what is the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives, object pronoun, subject pronoun. We learnt in the last video. So today I am going further and I will explain you what is demonstrative pronoun and what is interrogative pronouns. Let's begin with children. So children, here is the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is the word which points out the nouns to which they refer. Okay, nouns are the naming words. If I am telling this is a board, so I am talking about this board. I am pointing towards it. I am talking about this board. So if I am talking about this board, so this is the demonstrative pronoun. It is showing you a thing. Okay. The next thing I would say, so there are four types of demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those. When we will put this, that, these, those in which places? Now if it is a close thing, if it is close, if it is near to you, what will you say? This is my house. And it should be in singular also, children. If it is near to you and singular in number, we use this. If I am talking about a particular mountain, so I will say that is a mountain. Why, children, that is a mountain? Because it is far from me. It is far from me and it is singular in number. I will use that. And again, coming to the next thing, these. When will I use these, children? When the things are close to me and it is plural in number. When the things are close to me, near to me, and the things are plural in number, it means more than one thing. So I will use these. Can you please think, all of you, for the sentence with these? I will say, these are my students. These are my students. The students are close to me and they are more than one. So I will use these. So those are fishes. Fish. Those are fish, I will say. Why those? Because the fish are far from me and they are plural in number. They are more than one fish. Okay. So what we learnt in demonstrative pronouns, there are four types of demonstrative pronouns. These, that, these and those. This, that, these and those. When it is close in singular, this. When it is far in singular, that. When it is close in plural, these. When it is far in plural, it is those. Okay, children. Let's discuss the next topic, which we have demonstrative pronoun. Yes, children, our next topic is interrogative pronouns. What are interrogative pronouns? Pronouns that introduce questions. The pronouns are the words which ask question to you about things, about persons. Now, there are four types of pronouns. Four pronouns: who, whom, which and what. I repeat, there are four pronouns, interrogative pronouns: who, whom, which and what. Now I will tell you where you will use these four pronouns. Who and whom are used for persons only. If we are talking about a person, we use who and whom. When we are talking about persons and things, we can use which. And when I am talking about I am asking about only things, I will use what. Okay, children. For example, I will give you for who and whom, for persons only. I will ask, who is my sister? Whom are you talking about? I am talking about persons. Then I will use who and whom. We can use which in both cases of persons and things, children. How we will use? Which is your favorite snack? Which is your favorite snack? Which girl is most talkative in the class? So here I use for both girl like person and snack for things, which I can use in both the cases. Now if I am talking about only things, children, I will use what. What is your name? What is the thing lying on the table? What is the color of your frock? If I am talking about things, I will use what. Okay children, I gave you all the 4 examples of the 4 interrogative pronouns which we have. Please, when you are watching the video, you will always place your books in front of you. So children, in this video we learnt about the demonstrative pronouns and the interrogative pronouns. And children, you will please revise these, because revision is a very must. You should always use the pronouns, and how to use the correct pronouns I taught you today, and what are the different types of pronouns. We have finished with this chapter explanation, and in the next video I will give you all the answers to the exercises. And please children, first you do yourself and then you see my video and then see whether you have done it correctly or not. First you help yourself. First you do it yourself on your own without any help, and then I will help you in the next video. Okay children, thank you.